Hello, good day. Why do I always do intros like that? So it's just weird intros. I do that in every single video. But today I'm going to be doing a squishy collection. I don't have many squishies, so don't judge me. This box is full of squishies, but not a lot, not as much as you would expect. But make sure to like to my channel and subscribe. So let's get right on to the video. So first squishy I have strawberry. It smells amazing and it's really squishy. It's really slow rising too. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, 14 seconds. And it's really soft. I don't have any expensive rare squishies or anything. But yeah. So the second squishy is from Kmart. I'm gonna pull out. Oh no, rattle around. Sorry if you don't like the noise. If you like the noise, yeah. So this is like a dog burger. I'm gonna take it out of the packaging. It smells really good and is so squishy. Super duper slow rising. I love it. And I might redecorate this, I don't know, but I might. It smells like lollipops, basically. It smells so good. But there was only a few scented ones, and they've sold out of scented ones now. Sorry. But this is just really squishy and I love it. That's it. Got to bring my packaging over. Okay, so the next squishy, same thing. This one's not scented. Let me just try and focus this. Sorry if there's really bad lighting, but this is. I love this squishy. It's so soft and sticky. Pretty airy too. I'm gonna try and. Sometimes it's airy, sometimes it's not. Okay, so I love this, and it's like spring. It's getting defected, but I love it. So again, I forgot the packaging. So next. I can't resist the smell of this one. So the next squishy is this cotton candy unicorn. It smells like berries. Fresh berries from the open. So squishy. Oh my gosh. Sorry about my dad. He's crazy. Oh, it's so soft and squishy. It smells amazing. So that's it. This squishy is really weird. Next squishy is this ice cream squishy. It's kind of faded away, but it does smell really good. This is a dirty squishy. Yeah, still pretty squishy though. So I like this one. It's not too good, and I'm definitely going to redecorate this. It's such a boring plain colour. And I might redecorate the strawberry. It's just plain, and it's kind of bad. But I can make it better. Okay. Next squishy. This is Smushy Mushy. And I love it. I'm just gonna try and go fast. Now, cake. It smells good. Panda bun. It smells good too. Peach that's really defected, but it smells good. All of them basically smell good. Okay, this is really, really defected, and it makes this noise. Ready? Because we put super glue on it. But it is still really squishy. It smells too. This isn't a squishy, it's like a basketball thing. Like a stress ball. Cow donut. It smells like a chocolate donut. Love it. Squish. Unicorn donut smells like cream. Really soft and really squishy and sticky. Love that. Pig in a bun smells like bread. Really squishy. Blue version. Isn't it? Onion thingy-majiggy. I don't know what this is. I don't know. Seriously. It's really squishy too. And it smells so good. I can't describe the smell, but it smells so good. And we've got this rodent, rabbit, maybe dog thingy. $2.50. I love it. And yeah, got that. Smells like chocolate. Okay. Got this mini baby squishy. It smells good. Yep. And last but not least, this panda squishy. It smells really good. I can't describe it though. Really big, really jumbo. It's so squishy. I love it. I love the scent. I love everything about it. Oh my gosh, so squishy. Okay. That's my squishy collection. Bye guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give this video a big thumbs up. And comment down below what was your favourite squishy in my squishy collection. And make sure to subscribe to this channel. So yeah. Thank you for watching.